So this is how it looks, Sahil. So this
Yeah,
is
I can see this. I know this one. So I
okay.
was using this operations welcome password.
Yes. So you can start with your user ID and password, which is provided by your company.
Yeah.
So after that, it will goes to this page.
Yeah, when I log in, there is so many setups are there. I cannot use any data there. That's the problem I'm facing.
This page will open after we log in into GL.
Yeah.
So, so you have to choose the responsibility. So it will be like, say for example, you are taking Walmart or if you take Amazon, it will show like Amazon. First, you need to select a country. So for which country you are going to work,
Yes.
either Abu Dhabi or Dubai or Qatar, like that.
Yes.
So should be like Amazon US or Amazon Abu Dhabi, general ledger or accounts payable or accounts receivable, like that multiple responsibility will be there. So
Yes.
first you need to select the responsibility.
Okay.
So if I am selecting Amazon general ledger, it will show me the navigator like this. So that this navigator will come. Navigator general ledger Amazon Abu Dhabi. This
Yes.
will be the next step.
Yes. Once
So
you
well,
see, once we
yeah.
log in, we got this functions page. Yes, I understand this one.
Okay. So next, you will get the responsibility. You will go into the responsibility, GL responsibility.
Okay.
So in financial model, there will be multiple responsibility will be there
Yes.
based on your company. You will have receivables, payables, general ledger, cash
Yeah.
modules, and fixed
Fixed
asset,
asset.
budgeting,
Budget.
and financial statement. Like this,
Yes.
multiple responsibilities will be there based
Yes.
on your role. So if you are a finance manager or if you are a CFO or if you are a end user, based on
Hmm.
your role, the responsibility will vary.
Yes.
Okay, so for if you are in general ledger department, so you will have only this particular responsibility. That
Yes.
setup will done by a different team.
Yeah,
So
that is
we
functional consulting. They will.
functional consultant. So we no need to go into that. Now we are coming into end user level. So in
Yes.
the end user level, you will be marked under GL responsibilities. So you go into general ledger responsibility. Under this, you can see enter journals, post journal.
Hmm.
Right side, you can see the top 10 list.
Yeah.
Account inquiry, run financial reports, import journal.
Yes.
So like this, you can see the list of
Responsibilities.
responsibilities. So
Yes.
click the enter journal
Yes.
and you can prepare the journal entry based on your agency's advice. Like you can say, for example, if you are preparing a payroll entry,
Yeah.
so you will have a set of your employees payroll,
Yes.
and that will go into your balance sheet account. Hope you
Yes.
already know this.
Yes.
Okay, so you already have a Excel preparation of your entry details. So you
Yes.
need to key the same entry manually into enter journals, or based on your company's profile, you may have upload options like we have macro, or we have web ADI,
Yeah.
or more for apps.
FTB, FTBI or ADBI, some reports are tools are there, right? To
Yes,
upload.
yes, exactly. So multiple tools is there. So it depends on your license. You are
Yes.
licensed with Oracle, it will vary. So if say for example, if it is a web ADI or more for apps,
Hmm.
you can copy paste your data into the Flexi field and you can upload it into Oracle directly.
Yes.
If it is a single or multiple lines,
Hmm.
then usually you can update manually.
Yeah, we see there the company where they are doing manually only. They are not uploading by Excel. This only
Yeah,
functionals they are saying this one.
it includes cost also, so it vary based on the time. So
Yeah,
we can do it manually if it is 1 to 2 to 4 lines or 10 lines.
yeah. And we'll do some copy also, right? For closing, normally we'll enter every same entries every month. Okay,
Okay.
we can copy and paste, right?
Yes, we can copy paste. Yes. Say
Only
for
just change the month and date of posting.
you mean in Excel or in Oracle?
No, in application.
In application we can't copy. We can have to create a new entry. Month on month you have to create a new entry.
No, see, my friend is doing. I'm sorry to tell you this one.
Okay.
So he's working in EBS only. So monthly, last time I was sitting with him while closing. He was here on vacation. I
Okay.
was sitting with him on his closing. So I see that he is copying from last month, copy paste, copy the entries. He just
I mean
finally changed the
getting the same entry.
same entry.
Okay. Okay. That we can. That is possible.
Yeah,
But
because
you need to
closing all
change every
prepaid provisions and this one outstanding. This will be same every month. I think. Yeah,
correct.
the
But
insurance.
we are not suggesting that because there will be some human errors will happen while doing that.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you can do that since you are experienced. You can do that. You can replicate the entry and change the accounts and every because month on month we are not going to use the same account or same name. So some changes will be there,
Sure,
starting
sure.
from
No
the
problem.
period to the closing amount.
Yes.
So it always
Sure.
good to go with the new journal entry. So if you are replicating
Sure.
for 1 or 2 lines, it's good. It's not a big deal.
Sure. No problem.
So are you with me? Like we are in the journal entry preparation page.
Yes.
So
General entry profession.
after clicking the entry journal, this segment will open.
Yes. Create new general. Right.
Create new journal. So there you need to give a journal name. Say for example, if it is a prepaid entry or accrual provision entry or a payroll entry or a asset reallocation or depreciation entry, you can give a journal name. So it
Yes.
will ask you a journal name and the batch. So under which batch you are going to create this journal. So batch name will be there.
So batch name we have to give it ourselves, right? Or
Yes,
as per company policy.
as per company policy. It's
Okay.
like,
Noted.
say, for example, if my agency is, as I said, Amazon's US agency, you are working for US agency, it will be like US GL entry. So you can put GL or a general ledger like that, hyphen
Yes.
the period, and you
Yes.
can put your name for to understand the batch better.
Yes.
So, say for example, during the month end, if you are creating 10 journals under this batch, you can
Mm.
create your own batch.
Okay.
So anyway,
I
they
have.
will have a standard operating procedure. So you are
Yes.
going to
Yes.
follow that only. Based on that, you can update.
Yeah. And I have a small question.
Yes.
Like in Fusion, they have one company by default. Company is their Vision in
Mm.
Oracle. So in EBS, is there any kind of thing so I can practice there? Because
Con-
in my PC I don't have any companies in the the legal entity, nothing is there.
okay.
So in like Fusion they have one company by default company given by Oracle Vision. So if we want to practice, we'll add entries in that Vision only.
Yes, you can create one entry, one legal entity to practice that.
Ah,
Uh,
okay.
yes, we can create one dummy legal entity. We can create and you can practice that.
Yeah, that's because I need to see that one also how to create legal entity.
Yeah, step by step is there. So easily you can create one dummy legal entity with the
Okay.
country code and company. Example,
Sure.
I said, no, you can create Amazon USA or Amazon
Reliance, anything. Okay.
Reliance, uh, uh, Reliance or etc. Lulu like that. You can create one company with country code and you can start putting your journal entries for practice.
Okay. Okay. Done.
So this will be the basic. So value you can give account number. So
Yeah.
based on the account
This is
number.
quite confusing with me. I was reading so many documents, Oracle documents. I got this confusion with the codes.
Okay, so you mean accounting codes.
Yes.
Okay. So it vary based on company to company. It will be like 000. If they
Yeah.
are maintaining less than 1,000, it's 0 to 1,000. So
Yeah.
if they are having 10,000 account numbers, so it will vary like 00001 to 10,000 or 90,000 like that. So
So
we
now,
cannot
if I,
predict
for
that.
example, if I create one dummy company, how
Mm.
about chart of accounts?
You can create a chart of accounts. See, that's what I'm saying. Zero is your labor cost, and one is your intercompany revenue. Two is your expenses. Three is your fixed asset.
Hmm.
Four is your trade revenue or corporate revenue.
Hmm.
Uh, what else? Five for your bank expenses, petty
Yes.
cash entries, and
Hmm.
your retained earnings
Yes.
will be in your P&L. So your whatever your revenue and expenses, liabilities. So you can give like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 10 or up to 20. So if you
Yeah.
want three-digit number, you can put like 001, 002, 003.
Hmm.
Like that, you can create 20 accounts. So you
See,
can
how about
have
this one?
one chart of account.
Cost center and profit centers, we have to give it separately.
Yes, exactly. So as you know that there will be multiple branches will be there.
Yes.
So departments will be there.
Yes.
Finance department and operation department, customer service, sales. So various
Yes.
departments. So various departments will be there. So cost center will be different.
Yes.
So
For
you
every entry, we can allocate different cost center and profit center, right? For example,
yes exactly.
if it
So
is expense, we can put it cost center. For revenue, we can put it in the profit center.
yes, all these and all your consultant will do. The setup team will do your cost center creation, account
Yeah.
creation. Your chart of account will be readily available as
Yeah,
a
chart of account will be readily available, but sometimes we got new accounts or something new is there. So they might say you create one account, create
I'll
one.
give you one example. Say, for example, in your chart of accounts, you can see 200 accounts.
Yes.
So, as a financial controller or financial planner, you must think that one new account and description
Yes.
that is not allowed, not available in your chart of accounts.
Yes.
That you can provide the validation with your CFO or with your financial controller head like that to your setup team to create a new account, new
Yeah.
department. So based on your validation, they will create one
Account.
chart of account.
Okay.
So it needs your account code, account description that should not be repeated. So it should be a new one,
Yeah, this is unique number.
unique number. It should be under in the same bucket. Like as I said, two digits and all should be in your fixed asset. Three
So
digits
it
and
will
all
be
should.
helpful for me if you show me how to create chart of accounts. Like, see, sometimes we cannot wait for the consultant to send email and he will do it. So
Uh,
you know this.
Definitely, it will not comes under end user level. It will goes to a consultant or setup people. So in
Okay.
later stage, I will show you how to create chart of accounts in setup step by step.
Sure. No issues. No issues.
So that needs a live ERP tool to show you how to do that.
No issues.
So since it's a theoretical one, I will give you the available information now.
Okay, fine. No issues.
So this is the account inquiry web page.
Okay.
Okay, so here in Oracle, you can find what are the available chart of accounts for your
Mhm.
agency.
Okay.
This is the same responsibility page. Okay, function
Okay.
page. So under
First.
this, you can click inquiry.
Mm.
So previously we saw journal entry
Yeah.
creation, how to create
Yes.
a journal entry. So enter journals, you create a entry and you will save it and You can, if you have the responsibility of posting the journal, you can open and review the journal again, and you can
Yeah.
post.
Post it. Yes.
Okay, if you are a preparer, if you have a supervisor or manager or a CFO, he or she will open the same entry and cross verify and post it. So
Yeah.
this is
And
this is
workflow
the
for
responsibility
sometimes
of the.
approvals required sometimes.
Yeah. That is why we have a couple of different things for enter journals and post journal.
Yes.
So one will create the entry and another will post the entry.
Yes. See, this all procedure they will not follow one person. They will give one person, one man show is there, kind of fee is there in the company where I'm going.
Depends because yearly we have audit in all the companies.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
one who is joining also can introduce this thing that we
yeah,
have this options in Oracle, so we can utilize it. So
yes,
usually most of the companies are utilizing it because all are having internal audit and external audit yearly. So
yes.
if the one who prepares a entry misses a single digit will change the financial
Make a
statement.
lot of difference. Yes,
So it's good to see the entry journals by one person and posting by another one.
yes.
Okay. So if you
Okay.
want to see that whatever the journals you posted, you go into account,
Yeah.
inquiry, account,
Mm.
open. So here your company name and agency code will pop up.
Strong. Yes.
Okay, your currency. So if you are using multiple currency, you can change your currency, your
Yeah.
functional currency. So your
Okay.
functional currency and enter currency may vary. Say
Yes.
for example, if your functional currency is INR and your entered currency is USD or EUR or AUD, might be
Yeah.
anything. So
Okay.
it will show you in the reports will show you the difference. What will be your enter currency and what will be your functional currency value.
How? What is the this one? Exchange rate will not affect in this one.
That is a different part. Exchange rate
Okay.
we will feed in this. So after feeding the exchange rate, it will show you in the report.
No, there is a see. It will give abnormal gain or abnormal loss. I think.
No,
If I
it will change. We have a revaluation process.
okay.
Okay, so in Oracle we have a setup called reuters.
Mhm.
So we will do the setup on daily basis or monthly basis. We will enter the revaluation rates against your usual currencies,
Okay.
frequent currencies, whatever you are using for your transactions, either
Yes.
receivables or payables. So based on that reuters, it will calculate the functional number.
Okay. Done.
So you click the primary balance,
Yes.
click actuals, and summary template. If you already have a template, you can select the template.
Okay.
Okay, and accounting period will be like how much period you want, either from January to
We can
December.
select this one, right?
Which one?
The periods we can select according to our requirement, right?
Yeah, exactly. So if you want to see only 1 month, or if you want to see a period of 11 months or 12 months, you can select accordingly.
Okay. And here in this one, the periods will be 12 or 13. One adjustment period will be one or more.
Adjust one, adjust two will be there.
Adjust one,
Adjustment
adjust two.
period will be like 13 and 14.
13 and 14. Okay.
13 and 14. Adjustment 13 is auditing period and 14 will be excess, whatever your corrections will be in 14.
Okay. Okay.
So 13 and 14 will be there, adjust period. So you can click the summary and you can see the chart of accounts for your agency
Yes.
or your company. So this will be there and you can click the top left, you can have the export option. You click
Mm-hmm.
the export option and you can pull the same in Excel.
Excel. Yes.
So you can see the another tab like secondary balance. So that is what I try to convey you. That secondary balance will be your another currency or how you want to see the books. So primary
Secondary.
balance will be your
Secondary balance. Yeah.
sorry.
Secondary balance. Yeah, I see that one. It will
Uh,
show
sec-
different currencies.
yes, it depends on the agency's requirement, local requirement. If you want to see other currency in your books, it will be a different ledger. So primary ledger will show your functional
Okay.
value, and secondary balance will be show in your requirement based on your requirement. If you want to see USD, everything under USD currency, that you can do a setup and you can see the all the statements in that
Okay.
preliminary currency.
Okay.
So if you click the summary balance, you can see that in the top, if you are want to check one account, say for
Yes.
example accruals, provisions, you want to see the provisions booked for last 12 months.
Yes.
So you can select the account and period, so and it will show like this.
Mm-hmm.
So January it is booked 1.6, 1,67,000,
Yes.
and February it is 118 and the YTD basis. So it is accumulating in YTD.
Yeah, year to date.
Here you can see the P2D, period to date. Period
Year
to
to
date,
date and year to date. Yes.
year to date. Period to date will be only for your particular month, and YTD will be from
Year to
January
date.
till date.
Yeah, January to till date.
So if you want to see any further details, you can click recognize. Okay, for example, if I want to see for June, you click June and click the detail balance. You
Yeah.
can see the entire transaction booked in that period, and
All
you can
G all journals will be showing that.
exactly for the particular account. You
Yes.
cannot see both accounts. You can see the particular accounts which is selected in the top,
Yes.
and you download the report and verify your entire account journal details. And if everything is okay, you can proceed. Or if you want to change anything, you can do the reversal and re-upload the journal in the same period.
Yes.
So this and all works when you are trying to close the books.
Yes.
So when we will see the summary, mostly we will see that when we are trying to close a subledger or when we are trying to close the GL.
Yes.
Do you know the flow how to close the books? Whatever the criteria we are following while doing the GL close?
So, and let's see this one. The criteria will check all the this one supplier reconciliation, bank reconciliations.
Exactly. Let me refresh you the cycle.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure. Yeah, please.
So are you able to see my Excel?
Yeah, I can see your Excel.
So it is like starting from bank statement I mentioned here.
Yeah.
You can, if you want to change, you can change the order like payables, receivables, bank statement like that also, no problem. So let me explain about the bank statement. So it will have the entire transaction of the day.
Yes.
Uh, Hope you are agree. If you have any difference in your opinion, you can just raise the query. Sorry. So this will
Yeah.
be reflected in your cash module. Okay, in Oracle, it will be reflected in your cash module. Okay.
Cash model. Okay.
So your day-to-day transactions will be hit into the cash module. You can see all your receipts and payments.